What if you could take your home anywhere, mountains, deserts, even muddy back roads, without sacrificing comfort? Most camper vans fail off-road, but in 2025, new models are tougher than ever. Today, we're ranking the best off-road camper vans worth your money in 2025. So stick around, because number 1 and 3 are probably the best ideas in the industry. First up, the Limitless van, Ford Transit Trail conversion. A beast built for off-grid adventures. This van comes adventure-ready with a factory lift, Bilstein struts, and Falcon adjustable shocks for smooth off-road handling. The exterior is ruggedized with a CA-tuned bumper, a worn winch, and powerful Rubimoto lights, while a custom skid plate adds underbody protection. Up top, a Backwoods Adventure Mods roof rack holds 200 watts of solar, a 50-inch light bar, and future Starlink compatibility. Inside, it's a masterclass in smart design. A compact Tetra shower saves space, while a massive pantry, pull-out garage, and isotherm fridge ensure long-term livability. The Murphy bed system offers a queen-size sleeping area and converts into a lounge, and heated floors, plus a 24-volt 800 amp-hour battery system keep you cozy and powered off-grid. Cons? The 200-watt solar setup feels minimal for heavy power users, and the base transit trail's price, before conversion, is steep. Also, the interior shower might feel cramped for some. All in all, it gets a near-perfect rating of 9 out of 10 on the WOW meter for off-grid living, but a larger solar array would make it unstoppable. Crew mode. This Mercedes Sprinter 170-based beast is the ultimate family adventure rig, packing enough sleeping space for 5 to 6 people without sacrificing off-grid capability. The prototype boasts a brilliant electrically operated hardtop pop-up tent, insulated and vented, a clever swiveling bench seat that transforms the cabin into a lounge, and a north-south queen bed in the rear. With 350-watt solar, a massive 16 to 18 kilowatt-hour battery bank, and 40 gallons of fresh water, this van is built for extended off-grid stays. Clever touches like a dual-opening fridge, bike storage under the rear bed, and L-track mounting throughout show thoughtful design. Cons? Being a prototype, some specs may change before production. The long 170-inch wheelbase limits off-road agility, and the final price tag will likely induce sticker shock. Nearly perfect for families who need space and capability, it gets a solid 8.5 out of 10. We'll reserve full judgment until the production model arrives. Interstar Plugvan. This €14,000 plug-and-play camping system from Berlin is revolutionizing budget van life. Designed to slide into any panel van, Nissan Interstar, Sprinter, etc. In just 5 minutes with no tools, it transforms a workhorse into a functional camper. The genius lies in its adjustable sidewalls, which expand or contract to fit different van widths, maximizing every inch of space. You get a full kitchenette with a slide-out sink and repositionable induction stove, perfect for indoor or outdoor cooking. A convertible double bed with hidden panels, and even an optional bathroom module with shower and toilet. The pop-up roof adds standing room, up to 180 centimeters, and since it's certified as cargo and not a camper, you even get to avoid complex RV regulations. How cool is that? Cons: limited headroom, tight for anyone over 182 centimeters, and no fixed plumbing. The base Nissan Interstar lacks all-wheel drive for now, and the interior leans utilitarian over luxurious. We give it a solid 8 out of 10 on the WOW meter, a game changer for weekend adventurers and tradespeople who want camping flexibility without committing to a full RV conversion. Just don't expect glamping-level comforts. Dethleffs, a legendary name in RV manufacturing since 1931, has finally entered the hardcore adventure market with its first-ever AWD motorhome, the 2025 Globebus Performance 4x4. Built on a 161 horsepower VW Crafter 4x4 chassis with a reinforced front axle, differential lock, and rear air suspension, this 6.85 meter Class B plus camper van is designed for off-grid explorers who refuse to sacrifice comfort. Its slim 2.2 meter width ensures access to tight forest trails and mountain passes, while features like a 263 amp-hour lithium battery system, diesel-powered heating and hot water minimizes LPG reliance, and a waterless Klasana C1 dry toilet no black tank hassles make it ideal for extended remote stays. Inside, you'll find a premium ash gray and wood-accented interior with a full kitchen, 131-liter fridge, dual-burner stove, 5G Wi-Fi router, and a rear master bedroom with 2 raised single beds, 79 inches and 76 inches long, with massive storage underneath. Cons? At €119,999, which is approximately $131,000, it's a premium investment. Not extreme off-road, more suited for forest roads than rock crawling. Small LPG tank, only 2.8 kilograms for the stove, so you'll have to plan accordingly. A near-perfect blend of off-grid capability and luxury. We give it a nice 9 out of 10 on the wow meter, though it's priced for serious adventurers. StarVan, for van lifers tired of squeezing into cramped sleeping quarters, StarVan's patented rear expansion module is a game-changer. Built on a Mercedes Sprinter chassis, both the Rebel, AWD, and Cruiser, RWD models feature a motorized or manual slide-out bedroom that extends the van's length by 1.2 meters, creating a spacious 55 by 83-inch sleeping nook, larger than most van life beds, while freeing up interior living space. Underneath the raised platform, 932 liters of storage, accessible from inside and out, swallows bikes, gear, or even a motorbike. The van's insulated XPS/plywood walls and Truma diesel heating ensure 4-season comfort, while a 160-watt solar panel and 100 to 300 amp-hour lithium iron phosphate battery, which is also upgradable, powers off-grid adventures. The kitchen packs a dual-burner stove, or induction option, 70-liter fridge, and 100-liter freshwater tank, while the compact bathroom includes a Trillino composting toilet, an optional pull-out shower. Cons? No AWD on Cruiser. Only the Rebel offers all-wheel drive with an off-road package. Unknown pricing. No listed cost or global availability yet. Limited solar, 160 watts may need upgrading for heavy power users. A brilliant space-saving design for travelers who prioritize sleeping comfort. It's worthy of a great 9 out of 10 on the wow meter. But the lack of pricing and Cruiser AWD limits its appeal. This Iveco Daily 4x4 conversion from Discoverer redefines expedition travel with its perfect balance of rugged capability and thoughtful luxury. Built on a proven off-road chassis with triple differential locks, a 15,000-pound winch, and optimized weight distribution, it outperforms bulkier rigs while maintaining surprisingly good road manners. The interior maximizes every inch of the 2.1-meter-wide panel van, with swiveling captain's chairs, a full kitchen, including compressor fridge, and a spacious wet bathroom rarely seen in vans this size. The real showstopper is the patent-pending rear bedroom system. Folding panels create a massive Christmas bed with optional bike storage underneath, while hidden compartments, including a gear tunnel accessible from both sides, provide exceptional storage. A 300 amp-hour lithium system with inverter powers off-grid adventures, though the narrow center walkway reminds you this is still a panel van at heart. Cons? Tight interior circulation due to that generous bathroom, premium expedition pricing, likely €150,000 plus, and there's no standing room beyond the cab area, so that's a bummer. One of the most capable luxury expedition vans available, it has earned an amazing 9.2 out of 10. Just don't expect a Sprinter's spaciousness. Airstream's limited production 19X Outland LE, with only 30 units in the world, redefines what a luxury overlanding van can be. Built on a Mercedes Sprinter 4x4 chassis with a 3-inch lift, Falcon shocks, and rugged tires, this 20-foot powerhouse comes loaded with innovative features. The showstopper is the optional E1 package, $24,900, that delivers a massive 12,000 watt-hour 48-volt lithium system, dual alternators, and 3,200 watt inverter. Enough to run the 13,500 British thermal unit air conditioner indefinitely off-grid. The brilliant slide-out rear bed transforms into a covered outdoor lounge under the wraparound awning, complete with a 2,000 watt sound system and L-track mounting throughout. Inside, Airstream's legendary craftsmanship shines with a removable 12-volt fridge, which doubles as a portable cooler, fiberglass wet bath with pull-out shower, and touchscreen control hub that manages everything from lighting modes to tank levels. The riveted silver wrap pays homage to classic Airstream trailers while providing serious curb appeal. On to some cons. We have the astronomical price. This guy starts at $345,000 fully loaded. I'd also wish for a pop-up for that extra standing room, you know. What else? The small waste tanks. Just 9-gallon is gonna be inconvenient for sure. We rate it an amazing 9 out of 10 on the wow meter. A near-perfect blend of luxury and capability, but only for those with deep pockets. Well, that's it for today. We showed you vans that slide out, vans that cost more than a house, and vans that, well, let's just say their toilets won't survive a Taco Tuesday. If you found even one of these that made you say, shut up and take my money, do me a favor and hit like. If you hated them all, hit like twice because wow, you're picky. Subscribe for more, and thanks for watching.